Hello and welcome to my channel. This is How to Scholar. Okay, so today we're going to be submitting a new return for just forgotten. Let me just check. Oh yeah, should be pay as you earn. So the reason why we're submitting a new return because they do not have any employees to be submitting for pay as you earn, and currently the company is not operational. Okay, so on the tax type we choose pay as you earn, account name pay as you earn, that name of the company. Okay, then you just click next. So if you're not approved with the ZRA, you can just click no. If your if you're not liable to skills development levy, just click no. Next. So here, name of employee, I'm just going to use the company TPIN. Okay, since it's a new return and no employees available, so you find at times you go to ZRA, they'll refuse to deregister. They'll just advise no, you can just be submitting new returns. So since they advise that, we just do that. So name of employee, okay, so it shows the same company, just say temporal, then there 0 0. So I'm not sure if the amount has changed, because back then it used to be anything below 700 was a new return. This is the same way that you actually submit for even payment returns. If there were amounts, you put the amounts there. Okay, so the first one is actually for salaries, then total tax deducted from sum of column G of part. So you can just put salaries there, then the rest to be able to calculate. Okay, so number of employees 0 0 0. Then we just click on finish, and that's how you submit a new return for pay as you earn if there are no employees currently. Okay, so this is actually for a client. So depending on how many taxes the company has, okay, so like for this one, I have to submit the pay as you earn and the turnover tax. So you can just like and subscribe to see more future videos like this. Okay, so this is a quick one. Okay, submit. And that's how you submit a pay as you earn and turnover tax in the same account. Okay, just download this. See you next time when we do another video. Okay, done. And log out.